A smart campaign can use any of the video viewer attributes that have transferred through the integration. Vidyard provides both triggers and filters, so you can set up campaigns to target future individuals or leads that already have viewed videos. Once we have a smart campaign created, we will use the Smart List tab to set the triggers on the video data. Type Vidyard into the panel on the right, and you will see the Vidyard lead converts and watches Vidyard video components. These are added by your Marketo administrator during the implementation phase. Drag the components over to the main panel to begin adding criteria. We'd recommend to always set the description to "is not empty". The description of a video view is what appears in the detail column of the activity log. This is not to be confused with the player or video description that you find in Vidyard for an asset. The information that you see in this field is available within constraints. For example, you might want to set a lead score for anyone that watched a specific player and of a certain percentage. Check the relevant field boxes to do so. It's likely that you will use either the contains or is clauses when referring to specific data attributes. As discussed earlier, it's worth noting that a percentage is written as a decimal, so watching 50% of a video would be equal to 0.5 and 100% is equal to the digit 1. There is no right or wrong way to set up the constraints, but you can use any of the granular details from the activity log to match your desired processes. If you have set up custom attributes on your players, you may want to target videos containing keywords. Common ones are the videos in a certain funnel stage or of a product that is sold by your company. Once you are happy with the trigger, you can move on to the Flow tab. Some examples of flow steps that you can use are adding someone to a list, sending an email, or changing their lead score. If you have a program token set up to associate a value to a video view, you can use these here, or simply enter a value that fits your general scoring rules. Remember that as Vidyard is sending milestone data, it's best to build the scoring rules to accumulate through the percentages. For example, setting a 5-point score for 25, 50 and 75% will mean that the 75% effectively equals 15 points. You can add as many flow steps into the panel as desired, all of which get activated based on the criteria set in the Smart List tab. Now that this has been set up, move on to the Schedule tab to activate the campaign, and then it's time to sit back and allow the automations to occur. So this brings us to the end of the video guide. To explore anything further, you can find information about Vidyard and Marketo in our knowledge base. For any in-depth discussions, feel free to contact a representative at Vidyard who will be happy to help.